Hello my shining stars. So today we are starting new book, new class 3, Learn and Solve Maths. This is the cover page of the book. So this book by Children Voice Publication Riddhi series. So class 3, so very interesting book. So let's start. So chapter 1, numbers up to 10,000. In class 2, we have learned to read and write 3-digit numbers. Let us revise the same before starting to learn 4-digit numbers. See, warm up. The question 1, write the following in numerals. 125. So 125, how we can write? You know, ones, tens, hundred, 125. 999. 999. Okay. The second one, write the following numbers in words. हमें words में लिखना है. The first one is 406. It means ones, tens, hundred, 406. 406. Similarly, you can try the second one. 558. 558. Now the third one, represent the following numbers by drawing beads on the abacus. See, A part, 945. So my dear children, what will you do? 100 spike mein you will draw 9 beads, 10 spike mein you will draw 4 beads, and 1 spike mein you will draw 5 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 in tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 9 in 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope this is very much clear to you. Similarly, you can go for B and C part. Now the fourth question, write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. You know very well ascending means increasing and descending means decreasing order. See, A part, 346, 209, 828 and 618. Ascending means increasing order, means smallest to greatest. So what is the smallest number? You will see the 100 digit. All are 3-digit numbers. You will see the 100 digit. So this is the smallest one. Then 346. Then 618. Then 828. Now we can write in descending order, means greatest to smallest. So 828 first, then 618, 346, and the smallest one is 209. Similarly, you can try B part. The fifth one, write the face value and the place value of the circled digits. A part, 505. So 0 is circled one. So what is the place value? You know place value and face value of 0 is always 0. So this is 0. This is 0. Now B part, 824. So what is the place value of 8? 8 is at 100 place. So its place value is 800 and face value is 8 only, right? I hope this is very much clear to you, my dear children. Now we are talking about understanding 4-digit numbers. We know that 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. It is formed as follow. Kaise bana? 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 9 ones. 9 hundreds means 900, 900. 9 tens means 90 and 9 ones means 9. So what is the number? 999. So when we add 1 to 999, so what will you get? You will get 1000, which is the smallest 4-digit number. हमारे पास 1 है and 3 zeros. Let us understand the formation of the smallest 4-digit number pictorially. See, here 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 9 ones. We have 999. Okay, we have 999. We are adding 1 here. So now we are having 9 ones and 1 more. So this becomes 1/10. This becomes 1/10 and this is adding to 9/10. So this is becoming 10/10. This 900 as it is. Now see my dear children, this 10/10 is becoming 100. So 9 plus 1 means 10/100. So what will you get? You will get 10/100 means 10 into 100. So you will get 1000. So 10/100 make 1000. And you know, 1s, 10s, 100. This is the 4th place. This is said to be 1000. This is the thousands place. I hope this is clear to you, my dear children. Now counting in thousands. See here, 1000. How we can write? 0001. So this is 1000. Now here we have 3 blocks of 1000. It means this is 300, 3000. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5000. Then we have 6000. So see the next we have here 7 blocks of 1000. This becomes 7000. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10,000. So this becoming 10,000 means we are adding one more digit here. 5th place, 10,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000. So now next forming 4-digit numbers. See, first I have 1000, then 300, 2 tens and 4 ones. So what is the number? It would be 1324. So 4 at ones place, 2 at tens place, 3 at hundreds and 1 at thousand. So the number is 1324. Okay. Now reading 4-digit number, how to read? Study the following examples to understand how we read 4-digit numbers. See here, we have 3524. So this is 24. 5 is at 100 place, this is 500 and 3 is at 1000 place, so this is 3000. So how we can write 3524? We always combine ones and tens digit, right? Now this number 6938, so 6 at 1000 place, 9 at 100, this is ones, this is tens. So this is 38, this is 900, this is 6000. So what will you write? 6938. I hope this is clear to you. Question number 1. What would be the tens value if you add the following? See here we have two numbers. The first number is, this is 1 tens, 1. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So number is 17. And here 2 tens and 2 ones. So this is 22. So we are adding 17 and 22. Very interesting question. So what is the answer? Answer is 39. So this is the value, right? Now the second one, answer these questions. A part, which is the largest 2-digit number, you know very well. 99, which is the largest 4-digit number. जब भी हम largest number की बात करेंगे, we always use 9. So they are asking 4-digit number. It means 49. This is the largest 4-digit number. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? That is 100, 100. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. The next is third question. Write the number names of these numbers, like A part 4020. So ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 4000, 100 is 0. So we can't take 100. 4000 and this is 2020. 4020. Similarly, you can try this one. Now the next is 4-digit number on abacus, and abacus is a counting instrument, you know very well. One can read the number on the abacus and write accordingly. The abacus shown below have 4 spikes. So starting from the right, the first spike shows the ones, the second spike shows the tens, the third one shows the hundreds, and the fourth spike shows the thousands. जैसे हम नंबर लेते हैं ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, so here you can see this one for ones, the second one for tens, the third one for hundreds, and the fourth one for thousands. We can show a maximum of 9 beads on one spike of an abacus. Try to read the numbers shown on the abacus given below. So here we have 9 beads in one spike, so 9 ones. So this becomes 9. And now here we have 9 tens in 10 spike, so 9 beads in 10 spike, so this becomes 9 tens means 90, 90. And in 100 spike we have 9 beads, 900, 900. Now in 1000 spike we have 9 beads, so 9000, 9000. When we are combining all, so what we are getting? 9999, 9999, largest 4-digit number. I hope this is clear to you. Now teachers note, tell the students that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers or counting numbers, while the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are called whole numbers. जब हम counting numbers में 1, 2, 3, 4 में 0 भी ले लेते हैं, तो this becomes whole numbers. Now assessment 2. The first one represent the given numbers on the abacus and also write their number names. Like A part 5642. So ones में 1, 2 beats. Tens में 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are showing with the different colors, it would be very attractive. And hundreds में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So we can write the number names. So this is 5642. So write in words 5642. Right? I hope remaining parts you can try these one. The second one, count the beads shown on the abacus and write the numbers and figures. See here A part. So ones may we have 3 beads. So ones digit is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In tens spike, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in hundreds, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in thousand. This is the number. ऐसे ही B part है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 in tens, 1, 2, 3 in hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in thousand. This is the number. Similarly, you can try C part. Now the next we are talking about successor and predecessor. You have done earlier, I think, in the previous class. Now see once again, successor means the number that comes just after any number is called the successor of the given number. यानी अगर हम number में +1 कर देंगे, we will get the next number and that is the successor. Like the successor of 3 is 4. The successor of 1347 is 1348. We are adding 1 to this number. Now the number that comes just before any number is called the predecessor. जो उससे पहले आए, एकदम पहले आए, that is the predecessor. और how we can get it? -1 कर. So the predecessor of 4 is 3, previous number. The predecessor of 3678 is 3677. So remember, the successor of a number is 1 more than the number, as I told you, while the predecessor is 1 less than the number. Now assessment 3, the first one, write the predecessor of each of these numbers. Like A part 5490, तो आप इसमें से -1 कर दो, you will get 5489. Similarly, B part 4313 -1, 4312. Now the second one, write the successor of these numbers. So +1 कर देंगे, 7815. And here 9486. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now we are talking about the face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. No matter whatever is the place of the digit, face value remains the same. Face value वही digit होती है. Okay, like example, write the face value of each digit of the following number. This number 4247. So face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 4 is 4. Okay. Now we are talking about place value. Place value of a digit in number depends on the position of the digit in the number. It is the product of the place and the face value of the digit. See, place value depends on the position of the digit. See here we have number 6963. So first write according to the place. 1, 10, 100,000. So 3 is at 1's place. It means 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. 6 is at 10's place. 6 into 10, 60. 9 is at 100. 9 into 100, 900. And 6 is at 1000, 6000. So these are the place values, and the place value of 0 is always 0. Okay, keep in mind this thing, very important. So now the next example 1, write the place value and the face value of each digit in this number. Number is 6209. So face value of 9, 9. Face value of 0, 0. Face value of 2 is 2 and face value of 6 is 6. Now place value 9 into 1, 9. 0 है तो 0 की place value 0 ही होगी. And 2 is at 100, so 200. And 6 is at 1000, so 6000. Now we are talking about assessment 4. Write the place value and the face value of the circle digits of the following numbers in the space provided. A part 8924. So what is the place value of 8? 8 is at 1000 place, 8000. And face value is 8. What is the place value of 0? 0. So place value is 0. Face value is also 0. Question 2. Find the sum of the place values of 9 in this number 9987. So 1s, 10s, 100,000, 9987. So sum of the place value of 9. 1 9 is at 1000 place and 1 9 is at 100 place. So its value is 9000 plus 900. So answer is 9900. So very interesting. Okay. The third one, find the difference between the place value and the face value of 6 in the following numbers. अब हमें difference find करना है. Like here, find the difference between the place value and the face value of 6. So see, the first number 6 is at 100 place. So its place value is 600. And face value is 6. दोनों को minus कर देंगे. What will you get? So this is 594. Okay. Similarly, you can try the rest one. Now we are talking about expanded and short form. When we write the place values of the digits of numbers with plus sign, it is called the expanded form. जितनी भी place values हैं digits की, उन सबको हम plus form में लिख देंगे. That is the expanded form. And the number or the sum of the place values is called the short form of the number. See example. Example 1, write 9280 in expanded form. So here 9280, 1s, 10s, 100,000, write the digits. Now find the place value of each digit. So 0's place value is 0, 8 is at tens, 80, 2 is at 100, 200, 9 is at 1000, 9000. सबको add करके लिख देंगे. This is the expanded form. Okay. Now example 2, write 6000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 0 in the short form. This is the expanded form given. यहाँ से हमें number find करना है. So number is 6 at 1000 place, 5 at 100, 5 at tens and 0 at 1. So this is the number. I hope this is very much clear to you. Now see assessment 5. The first one, write the short form. So A part 6000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 5. So 6 is at 1000 place. So 6. 0 at 100, so 0, 1 at tens, 1 and 5 at 1. So this is the number. Similarly, C part 5000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 4, 5 at 1000, 3 at 100, 4 at tens, 4 at 1. So this is the number. Now the second one, write the expanded form of the following. So some numbers given like here 9999. So what to do? Write the expanded form. So its place value 9. This is at tens, 90. This is at 100, 900. This is at 1000, 9000. So how you will write? 9000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Okay. Similarly, you can try the rest one. The third one, match the numbers with their expanded form. A part 2073. So how to match it? See this one. So this is 2000 plus 70 plus 3. B part 3547. So 3000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 7. Okay. 2659. 2000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 9. 8850 and 7. So this is the answer. Okay, very interesting. Now comparing 4-digit numbers. अब numbers को हम कैसे compare करें, कैसे find करें which one is greater or which one is smaller or whether they are equal or not. See, to compare 4-digit numbers we use these rules. The first one, the number having more digits is always greater. जिसके ज़्यादा digit होंगे हमें पता है वो number हमेशा बड़ा होता है. See numbers like 2865 and 682. This is 4 digit, this is 3 digit. So, you know 4 digit number is always greater. So, 2865 is greater than 682. The second one, if two numbers have the same number of digits, then the number with the greater digits on the extreme left is greater. अब अगर number of digits same है, then extreme left digit जो ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा वो number बड़ा होगा. See like 7251 and 5432. So digits at extreme left are 7 and 5. So 7 is greater than 5. That's why the first number is greater than the second. Up suppose if the leftmost digit are the same, then compare the next digit, okay, to the right and continue in this manner to find the greater number. Suppose we have 6245, 6477. दोनों का 6 same है. Come to next digit. This is 2, this is 4. We know 4 is bigger than 2. So this number is bigger. Now see here 2691, 2684, 2 equal, 6 equal. So come to next 9 and 8. 9 is greater than 8. That's why the first number is greater. Okay. Now forming greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. हमें अगर greatest number बनाना है और कुछ digits given है, what to do? In order to form the greatest number using the given digits, arrange the digits from the biggest to the smallest. See example 1. Form the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 3, 6, 9 and 8. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Digits को लिखेंगे greatest to smallest यानी ascending order में. See 9 is the greatest, then 8, then 6 and then 3. So 9863, this is the number, greatest number. और अगर हमें smallest number बनाना है तो in order to form the smallest number, arrange the digits from the smallest to the biggest, यानी ascending order. C, form the smallest 4-digit number using these digits 5972. So सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा number, सबसे छोटा digit 2, then 5, 7 and 9. So number is 2579. Remember one point, always put 0 at the second place while forming the smallest number using the given digits. Suppose given digit 0 है हमारे पास, तो हम 0 से start नहीं करेंगे. We will write 0 at the second place. Okay. Now we are talking about ascending and descending order. Arranging the numbers in increasing order by arranging them from the smallest to greatest is called the ascending order. See example 4295, 7659, 2265 and 8650 in ascending order. So see what is the smallest. आपने compare करना है 1000 digit को. So this is the smallest one. And see the greatest is, this is the greatest one 8650. अब बाकी के दो नंबर बचेंगे, उन्हें अरेंज करेंगे. So the smallest, the next bigger number, the next bigger number and the biggest number. So write in sequence. So arranging the numbers in means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest. This is the ascending or increasing order. Now we are talking about descending order, means arranging the numbers in decreasing order by arranging them from the greatest to the smallest is called the descending order. See example 2, arrange these numbers in descending order. See the greatest one, सबसे बड़ा number है, आप देखो 1000 digit को देखो 9. So 9 is the greatest one. So this number is the greatest number, सबसे बड़ा number. और सबसे छोटा digit है 1. So this is the smallest number. और अब जो बाकी की दो नंबर हैं उनको देखेंगे. So 5618 and then 4469. Now write in sequence greatest to smallest. This is the descending or decreasing order. I hope this is clear to you. Now my dear children, do assessment 6. The first one, put the correct sign greater than, less than or equal to in the space provided. A part, see the number 990 and 1000. So this is 3-digit number, this is 4-digit number. So this is always greater. अब B part देखते हैं, both are 4-digit number. So see the 1000 digit, this is 3, this is 8. So this is greater. Okay, similarly C part 8599. See the 1000 digit, 8 is greater than 5. So this is greater. Similarly, second question, arrange the given number in ascending and descending order. So you can try this one on your own. Now the third one, form the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using these digits only one. See A part 205 and 4. हमें smallest और greatest number बनाने हैं. तो smallest number बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? हम arrange करते हैं digits को increasing order में, यानी smallest to greatest. अब आप कहेंगे 0 is the smallest one, but we can't start with 0. अगर हम 0 से start करेंगे तो that would be 3-digit number. So we have to form 4-digit number. तो 0 को हम second place पर लेंगे. So first is 2, 0, then 4, 5. This is the smallest number. And greatest number 5, 4, 2, 0. Okay. Similarly, C part 9, 2, 1 and 3. Smallest number क्या बनेगा? 1, 2, 3, 9. And greatest number 9, 3, 2, 1. So I hope this is clear to you. Then next we are talking about even and odd numbers. Even numbers, the numbers which are divisible by 2, यानी जिनको हम pairs बना सकते हैं. So those numbers are even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. these are even. And odd numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these are odd numbers. Now do you know, if we begin from 2, every alternate number is even, and if we begin from 1, every alternate number is odd. Now see assessment 7, write all odd numbers between 400 and 430. So after 400, 401, 403, alternate number, 405, 407, 409, 411, like this. Okay, ऐसे ही write all even numbers between 1607 and 1628. यानी 1608, 1610, alternate. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So like this you can complete the sequence. Now we are talking about rounding of numbers. Rounding off a number means converting it into its nearest exact number. For example, 13 can be rounded off to 10 and 19 can be rounded off to 20. Sometimes rounded off means it's an estimate, rough estimate. Suppose I have 13 toffees. So I can say to my friend, I have around 10. Okay, and suppose I have 39 or 38 toffees. I can say, I suppose I don't know the exact number. I can say I have around 40 toffees. So rounding means a estimation, एक idea, rough idea. So for rounding of a number to the nearest 10, check the digit at the ones place. हमें digit check करना है ones place का. If the digit at the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, change the ones digit to 0, keeping the other digits unchanged. And if the digit at the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then add 1 to the tens digit and change the ones digit to 0. See, for example, rounded off 33 and 48 to the nearest tens. Up 33. 3 is, see the ones digit, this is 3. This is less than 5. This is less than 5. So हम क्या करेंगे? इसे 0 बना देंगे and 3 as it is. So 33 is rounded off to 30. और 48 में ones digit 8 है तो इसको हम 0 कर देंगे और tens digit को +1 यानी 50. आप simply एक rough idea देख सकते हैं. 33 is lying between 30 and 40, but it is close to 30. So 33 rounds down to 30. Similarly, 48 is between 40 and 50, but it is close to 50 as compared to 40. So this 48 rounds up to 50. So I hope this is clear to you. The next we are talking about rounding off to the nearest 100. For rounding off a number to the nearest 100, check the digit at the tens place. If the tens digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, change the tens and the ones digit to 0 and keeping the other digits unchanged. And if the tens digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, add 1 to the hundreds digit and change the tens and ones digit to 0. For example, round off 126 and 178 to the nearest 100. तो इसे हम ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं, like 126 is between 100 and 200. So this is nearer to 100 as comparison to 200. So answer is 100. Or we can see the tens digit is 2. So what to do? इन दोनों को 0 बना देंगे tens और ones को, और 100 digit is same 1. So answer is 100. Now 178, this is nearer to 200. So answer is 200. Or how we can do? We can see the tens digit, this is 7. So what to do? इन दोनों को 0 बना देंगे और 100 digit में 1 add कर देंगे. This becomes 200. So from the above examples, we observe the rule for rounding off to the nearest 100. I hope this is clear to you, my dear children. Now assessment 8, the first one. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Like B part, 47. 47 is between 40 and 50 and nearer to 50. So answer is 50. Okay, ऐसे ही आप देखेंगे 126 nearest 10 है, तो 26 is between 20 and 30. So this is 130. Right? So now the second one, round of the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. Like B part 181, it is between 100 and 200, nearer to 200. So answer is 200. So similarly you can try. ऐसे critical thinking based question है, aptitude reasoning है. So I hope you can try these one. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.